Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito, here to enrich your everyday cooking with the power of umami. Today, we are making Tamagoyaki, the Japanese rolled omelette seasoned with Mentsuyu. This is a dish many visitors to Japan fall in love with. You may have seen it on social media, soft, fluffy, and beautifully rolled. Using Mentsuyu makes it easy to recreate this flavor at home. Let's get started. Now, let's make Tamagoyaki using Mentsuyu. First, crack the eggs. We are using 6 eggs. Then, using chopsticks, gently beat the eggs. Try to cut through the egg whites as you mix, rather than whipping air into them. Next, add 2 tablespoons of Mentsuyu, followed by 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything lightly. Dr. Bonito's pro tip: strain the egg mixture through a sieve. This extra step helps create a smoother, silkier texture when you cook the tamagoyaki. Go ahead and strain it. It makes a little time, but it's worth it. Try to use a close-mesh sieve if possible. Now, let's start cooking the tamagoyaki. First, heat a frying pan. Lower the heat to low and lightly coat the pan with oil. Pour in the egg mixture. Even though we are cooking on low heat, you may see small bubbles forming and puffing up. When that happens, gently top them. Once the egg has mostly set, flip it over and begin rolling it up. Roll it carefully, routing the pan together with the egg to keep the shape neat. Roll it once more like this. Then, add another layer of egg routing the pan as you pour. Cook it again, popping any bubbles as before while the egg sets. Once it's set, roll it up again. That's a third roll. Repeat the same motion one last time. Finally, use a bamboo sushi mat to shape the tamagoyaki. Wrap it gently and let it rest like this. By rolling it in the mat, you can give the tamagoyaki a nicely rounded, beautiful shape. Good mentsuyu using real Katsuobushi makes all the difference. With this mentsuyu, tamagoyaki is easy, flavorful, and comforting. Enjoy this classic Japanese taste at home. Have a flavorful day.